Meaning of landing lights.
Landing lights.
Landing lights.
Landing lights.
Landing lights. Landing lights refer to the lights on an aircraft that are used during landing or takeoff. These lights increase the visibility of the aircraft to other aircraft in the vicinity, as well as to ground personnel and air traffic control. They are typically located on the wings and undercarriage of the aircraft, and are turned on during final approach and landing, as well as during takeoff. The use of landing lights is an important safety feature of commercial aviation, helping to prevent collisions and ensuring safe operations in all weather conditions.